How to fix a loose wall socket.
Safety briefing. Know which MCB controls the socket you are repairing. Remember, don't ever let earth touch neutral. Make sure your test pen works well. Beware of some poor quality connectors if you intend to use them.
So you can see the stud support was penetrated by the screw-off center, resulting in uneven stress and failure. There are three main reasons for this common problem. First, the rough wall edges forces the 3-inch screw away and misaligns to the stud. Though the switch panel has an elliptical hole to compensate, it is still easy to miss the stud center, which is 3 inches deep inside. The box might also have been misaligned during installation. This results in uneven stress and failure. Finally, do note that it requires 5 kilograms to pull out a plug from its socket.
The broken studs will be abandoned. The expansion brackets require a clear path near the hole. Make sure you don't get a switch with an obstruction here. Attach the brackets to a compatible switch. Measure the bracket's span width.
Obviously, the wall hole width must be at least 130 millimeters. Unfortunately, the hole is too small, and the width needs to be increased.
As it would take time to enlarge the wall hole, I suggest to restore power to the ring, which supplies important circuits, like the Wi-Fi router.
That's a good idea. However, it is not safe to work with live cables dangling on a socket. So for safety reasons, temporarily terminate the cables before restoring power and hacking the wall.